Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to quit apps that do not respond on macOS. If you are a new Mac owner or haven't experienced an app crashing or becoming unresponsive yet, this video will guide you. As you can see, I have Safari and Maps open. The small dots below the app icons indicate that the applications are running even if their windows are closed. Let's open one more app for demonstration. If you right-click on an app icon, you'll see the quit option, which simply closes the app when it's functioning normally. Now let's suppose an app isn't responding. In this case, you have the option to force quit it. Go to the Apple icon in the top left corner of the screen and select Forced Quit from the menu. This will open a small window showing all currently running applications. Select the app you want to quit, then click Force Quit. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm, as any unsaved changes may be lost. Click Force Quit again, and the app will close. There is also a shortcut to open Forced Quit Applications window. Press Command-Option-Escape. This combination will bring up the same window for you to manage unresponsive apps. You can even select multiple apps to force quit them all at once. One thing to note, Finder will always remain in the list. Instead of quitting Finder, you'll see a Relaunch option, which is completely normal. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.